Hello, I'm in a 2011 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to open your hood. So first you go from the driver's side here, and kind of near where your left foot would be, you should see a lever right there that you'll just pull and feel a little release pop sound. There should be a little bit of tension here. If there's not at all, you might want to check these cables underneath. As you can see here, you want to make sure that's connected and somewhat tight. But ours is popped now, so we'll go up to the front and open it up. So from here, most releases are just kind of right around the middle. You should feel the hood's a little loose now. So right here, we're pushing it this way and pulling up. So we're pushing and lifting. That's it. You should see this little thing you can hook onto here. And then there's that whole release mechanism that we just pushed on. If you're having issues with this part, check to make sure you don't have any like debris or gunk in there. Maybe you need some WD-40. Sometimes too, if the hood ends up slightly off alignment, that might be causing issues, so you need to recenter everything. And then worst case, these parts are fairly affordable to replace if you need this new mechanism here or the cables connecting. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.